Chef Anthony here. Today I'm going over the Combi oven. This is a combination microwave and convection oven. This is a great, powerful oven with a ton of versatility for your kitchen. Essential piece here. So we're talking about the microwave properties, everything you can do in the microwave, but the addition of convection cooking. Today we're gonna do two items in here. We're gonna take your normal microwave setting and do some great oatmeal, but we're gonna up our game and use our convection to make a nice pizza. So it really uses both properties of convection and microwave together. This is for the ideal customer that needs that second oven, but doesn't have the room for it, but still needs a microwave. So in this setup, you see the convected micro right here and your wall oven below it. This is really a nice setup for the customer that is tight on space, that needs a double oven, needs that microwave as well. So this really brings both of them together. So let's talk about a few of them here. We're gonna go right to the microwave setting, okay? And it'll turn on, and it's a little bit fancier than your normal microwave. You'll see the add 30-second button here, and you could add the 100%, or you could take down the wattage here. So we're just gonna go for 2 minutes, and we're gonna put in some oatmeal nice and easy, okay? So we'll open the oven, and you'll see now we have a bigger cavity here. We have a nice rack. We have the turntable down here as well, but here's our convection fan in the very back. That's really what you miss in a lot of the other ovens. So we have that convection fan, we have the rack. It is grounded right here on each side, folks. So, that's really the next question that a lot of customers ask me. How can I put a rack in here? How can I put a tray in here? Will it spark? Things like that. So it will not spark because it is grounded. So, but it can be removed very nice and easily if you want to use it. We're going to take it out, and now we're going to put in our oatmeal. This is standard quick oats. We put a little touch of cinnamon, a little bit of milk in here. So we'll put that right in, okay? Close the door. We have our 2 minutes. We'll hit start, and very nice and fast, we'll have some amazing oatmeal. Timer's up. Let's open, let's take out our oatmeal. Look at that. Perfectly creamy, fully cooked oatmeal. Nice and easy for your breakfast. So that's a great microwave setting. Nice and easy, an old standard that you can have here. But now with the oven size and the cavity here, we can raise that. We could actually do more. You can feed the whole family here, with all the microwave. You still get the beverage, you still get all the properties, popcorn, everything like that that you need to do. But let's talk about what makes this oven really special and really unique is the Combi Modes. So when we go down to the combination modes, so you look at the first one, we got combination, convection and broil. Now we got combination convection. This is the one we're focusing and highlighting on today. So we're using the wattage from the microwave to heat this oven cavity and really, fly in and get us that instant heat while we use the convection and the elements to raise the temperature to really get an amazingly finished product. So we're gonna do pizza today, but I always tell everyone, think outside the box, make life convenient. If you're cooking for 2 or 4 people, this is your go-to oven just because it'll preheat faster at the time than your regular range or wall oven would. And now you can cook for, maybe 4 to 6 people, depending on what you're making, just in this oven and really hone it in. Think about it for holiday times. Everybody's always rushing for oven space. Now you have a fully convected microwave oven to really, do anything. It's really great for large families that have smaller children that need things cooked instantly. I know I have a small family at home and I need dinner yesterday. So like most of you folks out there, this speed convection oven solves that purpose. So without further ado, let's make some pizza. We're gonna put this rack back in, just like that, so it's nice and grounded. And we have a regular pepperoni pizza here, just on a baking rack, little baking sheet. We're gonna pop this right in. So we're gonna do Combi convection, okay? Now we're gonna raise the temperature, 375. And we're gonna go for 15 minutes, and we're gonna hit start. All right, perfect, timer went off. Let's check our quality here. Wow, that's exciting, huh? Woo, perfect pizza. Look at that. Once again, convection, browning from edge to edge, even. Look at the cheese still bubbling. This is 15 minutes in convection. This is the combination of the microwave, everything. Let's bring it to the board. Close this door. Wow, that's nice. Take it right off, make sure nothing sticks. It's a big pizza too. This is a whole 16-ounce dough ball, so wonderful. But I see great quality. Look at that, great on the bottom. Perfect cheese. I'm gonna bite it, I'm gonna eat it. You know, that's gonna be a thing. That's wonderful. But this, from oatmeal to a whole large pizza for your family, this is why this convection combi oven is so important. Think about heating up your cup of coffee, you think about making your pork roast for dinner. It has you covered from morning till night, A to B. Possibilities are endless. All of our makes and models have different features, but same properties of the microwave and the convection coming together to make amazing products and to make your life a lot easier. So, hope you enjoy this video. Hope you use your combi oven to its fullest potential and be an amazing chef.